Choate Machine Tool started in 1972. My father started it as a tool and die shop, reloading, and then he gradually got into the firearms accessories. He was originally a tool and die maker, so we got into the molding of plastic stock, synthetic stocks, and making metal parts, and it just grew from there. People working with their hands has died out. Everyone wants to go to school and work behind a computer, so there's no hands-on tool and die makers, machinists, CNC programmers. It seems like the actual making molds, making stamping dies, those people are all my age or older, it seems. So there's not enough people to actually keep the industry going. It's all moving overseas. We're seeing it all going out of the U.S., all the mold making. They'll have them mold made in Taiwan and then shipped here to run. A good machinist background, learning to measure stuff is important throughout all of the technical communities. If you can measure stuff with vernier calipers, micrometer calipers, coordinate measuring machines, you can go into a lot of stuff, from quality control to CNC machining to tool and die, but that's where you need to start. It's something that we as a country need to teach the kids how to make stuff again, to build stuff from scratch and make the machines work and bring it back to the U.S. So it's something that I really believe in.